Menteri Sarkar Barimbat MLA ka UDP nakhlian Bah Kyrmen Syllad haka khatway trik jemang ula ong baka East Giant Hills ka nyokor iki kampen roy Henry ula banjur baka kamai kaji ba kongsan jong ka thain ka syong ha dewiong daka ba khot ban pentre kam daka scientific underground mining namar ka open cast mining kade ki bamla banle namar ka jingjil liu ki party dewiong ka double engine ni triple engine ngam dan jingkan tho e halor kani namar ba ngam de ka benta jong ka sarkar ni ka party ula ong Henry hooi ni ai ka jinga ro e ki kampen roi ka ba ki lawan ra sha ka no ka jaka ba ki yo lat ban shakri ha ka jela Gila yo iya shibun ki jingkala ong Bah Kyrmen haba ai ka jinga ro e ka sarkar balaya lam dak NPP hang ni ru nga ai ka jinga ro e ka sarkar balaya lam dak NPP hapo ka jinga lam jong menteri rang ba ukon rat ki sangma Gila yo iya shibun ki jingkala khamtam haba pha shi ki kampen roi ula ong Henry Bah Kyrmen ula pen pawi ka jingkong san jong ka kam dewiong na ka benta ka kamai ka ji bat ka yo ka jong ka than ha East Giant Hills ngi nyoko ri ki kam penroi Henry ka bakam kongsan ka bangi don kam kade ka kamai ka ji bat ka ni ka syong hau dewiong ula ong lada don ka por baka party ka no ka party kala ban kular bat pen urlong ganget ki brio jonga kinyeng bat kata halor ka jingti dewiong da ka juk jing start science Bah Kyrmen ula ong bakam de banlong tang ka open cast mining scientific kamut tang ya ka open cast Henry kamut ru ya ka underground mining ula ong ka technology ka bangila pendan kam habaro kini kisngi wat la kam de 6% scientific Henry kala don kat tu kat ni ka jingstan bala penrong gidon kam tang banwan ra ya ka ha ka rukam ti ka bakham biang bat banwan ra ikila jinga da na ka bentai kinong ti par ula benram haba phile ai banya da ya ka kamai ka ji banya da ya ka jing em jong kinong ti par bat ti yaw do yong ha ka rukam ka badai bat penne pensa ya ka maryang kataru ka de ka jing start science kam dan kam long tang ling ba ka open cast mining wat ka underground mining ru la ban le da ka jing stand ong Bah Kyrmen lada ngam bakla lada hapo ka shipo mitar ka jingjiliu kadang long ka bala ban le da ka open cast Henry nang ni ka jingjiliu ka palat ka shipo mitar hateng wat hadu shispa mitar kumta ka ni kamlong ka bala ban le da ka cast mining ha East Giant Hills ong Bah Kyrmen ha babenrap ba ka jingti da ka juk jing start science kelas dang hakikat tu kat ni benta jong ka district kumta ulakin tu ya ka sarkar ban ailat ban pentre kam ya ka underground mining kum ka weipat ka lat ka bakham bha dena kata ka daw bangila kerpat ya ka sarkar ban ya ki bor bedai pen ban ay ngi de ki weipat ki lat ki lenti ki bayade bat ka kam ti dewiong ong MLA ka than
Actually, let me be very blunt and direct. I remember when my people elect me in 2018 with a hope and a vision that the MLA will bring the development to the constituency and then do good to the people. So that is the expectation of the people, and I believe this not only my constituency and even others also, they expect that after elect the MLA, he will bring first priority is that the uh, development to his constituency, and then whatever he can to uplift the constituency, which I myself I do try for that. So to be frank, my people expect the same. It's not about a party or it's not about the individual. It's about a collective decision. So where I heard the voice of my people, that as of now, my people is a direct affected area when it comes to coal. So my people always cry for this thing that we wish there's a party and we wish the government could do something that the coal ban will be lifted from East Java Hills directly and even the state as a whole. So my people will not mind any other party. It could be BJP, it could be VPP, NPP, my party UDP, whichever party they don't mind, but it has to be a party who can deliver, especially help us to live the ban. So even now, so my people are expecting the same. So as a local representative, I really wish that a day will come that our government could bring justice to the people of East Jade Hills and then lift the ban permanently and then give us our rights. Because NGT ban, it's been 12 years. If it would have been a solution, by now we would have seen the fruit. But as of now, I believe now everyone will, accept this, that those 12 years is not just a mere time that we have suffering. It's been a long time, 12 years. We have been patient enough, and my people have suffering a lot. So this time, we are fighting for our rights, and I believe that if there's a time that a great impact will shows in this 2028, especially the party who can give a commitment and deliver for the core issues in this channel. This double engine, triple engine, I have no comment on this. What is their functionary? How will they do? I really don't know because I'm not a part of the government and I'm not a part of the party. But yes, no doubt we really appreciate the development they have brought to wherever they have, the chance to serve in the state, to lead the government. We have seen there's a lot of change, and even here also I appreciate my government, led by the NPP under the leadership of our Chief Minister Conrad K. Sharma. We have seen a lot of change has been, especially when it comes to development. So, as have been mentioned, East Jante Hills. Development we appreciate, but more than that, we need a livelihood. So our livelihood stand on goal. So for this, if there's a time that a party, any party, I will not mention, if there's any party who could promise and deliver, and I believe that my people, and I know that very well that my people will stand for that. So let's hope for the best. If there's any party who can challenge, so my people they know what is the things needs to be done. So I will not say that because I know my people they are you know they know that what exactly needs to be done. If somebody do goods to us, we repay them back with good things. There are many kinds of scientific. Uh, Scientific it doesn't mean only for open cast. Scientific it even meant for this thing, the underground mining also. The technology what we have been used all those days, that also though not 100% scientifically has been done, but it is some science has been introduced in that also. But it's just that we need to bring it into a proper way of mining, and then especially bring the safety measures for the miners. So when you do something to protect the livelihood, especially to protect the lives of the miners, and then to take out extract the coal in a proper way and then help the environment, that is scientific. It need not be only through open cast. Even the underground mining also can be done scientifically. So for this, uh, I believe that your question is about the open cast. So yes, no doubt, open cast is quite difficult because the seam is quite very deep down. So when the depth is too high, it's next to impossible open cast. Because if I'm not mistaken, uh, if it is within 10 meter, the depth is still feasible for open cast. But our depth is more than 10 meters. It's sometimes even 100 meters. So this is not feasible for open cast mining in East Jante Hills. But still, I believe that those who have already got the license, they know the reality of it. And as of now, we have not seen that this contribute to the people. Yes, it's already started. Scientific in the sense, as I've said, that previously the old practice also it is a scientific, but not 100%. But recently, a few license has been given when it comes to open mining, open cast mining. So this open cast is already started, few portion where a block, some block in East Jandy Hills, 2 block or 3 block has already started. So this thing which have already started is quite difficult, lots of challenges for the owner. So that's why we request the government and the authorities to do the needful by giving us a different way of mining. Previously, they call what we have done. They call it a butthole mining. Yes, when we look into different arc, that a few changes need to be done, and the same way of mining if can be introduced, where we can call it underground mining. So I remember that we used to talk about tunnel mining. Even that also is not tunnel mining. Also, it has a different term. So for us, the most feasible mining is the underground. So for this, we need to find out, and we need expert to give us the suggestion so that we can prepare that what needs to be done, so that the government will give us you know, the rights to go about this thing, to go ahead with the underground mining. So I believe that the day will come. No, what the government, what they had promised, they delivered. Because why I say this, a few person they already got a license for open cast mining, but after they got the license, then they realized this is not feasible. The government says that they will do the needful, and we have seen they even give a license to few, and some of the applicant, their paperwork is still on processing. So those 3 4 who already got the license, after they start, then we realize this could not be happening. It might not be possible in East County Hills and a different part of the state. So that's why we have a different mind now. After realizing this, that we should try something different, which is feasible in our area. So it might be feasible in different areas of the state, but when it comes to East County Hills, this is not feasible, and we have to try the alternative and different way of mining. And the best way, after discussing with many, we come into a solution that underground mining is the best, and with a few measure steps needs to be taken, so that the safety of the miners has to be taken care, and then treatment of water, and then protect the environment. That is what we need to do.